Chirps and Cheers is a staple here in Midtown. Whether it's a card or stationery, they have everything to brighten your day. Chirps and Cheers is a stationery store that lives up to its name.
So Chirps and Cheers is because we're celebrating everyday chirps and extraordinary cheers.
The charming boutique is known for all things paper, planning, and posts.
It's a dynamic of multiple things. Some are, we want to have cards from birthday to sympathy, but we also want to be able to have planners, pens, paper, and then be a place to have your wedding invitations, your stationery, fun wrapping papers. So it's anything that would be related to the paper world.
The walls are lined with cards for every occasion.
We have some that are just fun and snarky. We'll have an assortment of baby ones for congratulating. We'll have birthday, we'll have get well. So it's really trying to touch on all those key moments in people's lives.
Stationery and invitations are also a huge seller. You can buy them stock or have the folks at Chirps and Cheers customize it to make it uniquely you.
We can do foil notes in-house, personalized to whatever the person wants, and then with one of our meetings we can actually do from simple stationery to as elaborate as someone would want to get for like a business meeting or a wedding invitation.
And for your writing needs, the store has an entire wall devoted to pens.
A lot of pens. So there is the La Pens, the Tombos. Those are going to be the ones that really speak to a lot of people, from just your creative sketchers to the artists to people who just want to look fancy when they're trying calligraphy.
Even in the digital age, Chirps and Cheers wants folks to know one thing.
There's still that love that people have from getting a heartfelt message in the mail that you don't get from an email. So that's why a handwritten note means so much.
And even one greeting card can change your mood.
No matter what kind of day you're having, you know that you can go to a little cute card shop in Midtown. You'll see something snarky or something funny, and it can give you an uplift in your spirit.
In Oklahoma City, Tiffany Tatro, Discover Oklahoma.